All added sugars and syrups pump your body full of empty calories, send your blood sugar soaring, and gum up proteins in ways that load your arteries with lousy LDL cholesterol. Hi, I'm Dr. Miller with a nutrition tip that'll help save your heart and your waistline. You've probably heard about food makers replacing high fructose corn syrup with real sugar in everything from ketchup to crackers. The truth is, added sugar of any kind has no redeeming nutritional value. But food manufacturers want you to think that real or natural sugar is better for your health. Don't fall for it. All added sugars and syrups pump your body full of empty calories, send your blood sugar soaring, and gum up proteins in ways that load your arteries with lousy LDL cholesterol. Currently, Americans gobble up an average of 22 teaspoons of added sugars each day. That's 2 to 3 times what your body can handle. The American Heart Association wants women to top out at 6 to 7 teaspoons a day and men at 10 teaspoons a day. Whether added sugars come from table sugar, organic brown sugar, or raspberry syrup, they subtract from your health. Here's a smart goal: 0 added sugars in your diet and blood sugar below 110. Anything higher ages your arteries, which ultimately ages every part of you.